What's up YouTube, greetings to everybody and welcome if you're new to this channel. So today I'm gonna show you the cool driving footage first, and after that the review. So it's the XLF F22A and it's the B version in brushed. So let's open the box, guys. So here's the manual with some spare parts, with the keys, Allen key, screwdriver, charger and all the stuff as always. So, and here's our beauty, guys. Wow, so heavy, feels good, looks good. So put it away, needs a transmitter. So let me show, got 4 AA batteries to power it. And what do we have? Yeah, feels a little bit cheap. The steering wheel feels nice, so it's on off switch, the trims, the dual trims, the reverse and the dual rates and the throttle rate and the steering trims, guys. So that's it. So let's see what's inside the manual. Yeah, for sure the usual stuff, the safety first and everything, and how to power it up, how to use the transmitter and how the settings are. Yeah, as always, no big deal, guys. So all the parts, the numbers, the spare parts, how it gets assembled and everything you need if you need some spare. That's it. So and here's our beauty. Wow, looks so cool and feels so heavy, guys. Nice wheels. Yeah, very fluffy. It's good for jumping for sure. We got a wheelie bar at the rear. Super cool, guys. Look at these blue parts and the metal parts underneath. It's full of metal. Bottom plate. Wow, super cool. Shock absorbers. Works so perfect. So yeah, look at the wheels. I think we need to adjust them a little bit, the rods, but let's take a look underneath the canopy. And wow, yeah, super cool, guys. Look at this. How cool does it look? Super big rods. You can adjust them for the wheels. I'm going to do this for sure. Wow, I'm very impressed, guys. Look at these cooling ribs in the motors. Big motor, brushless motor, 80 or 85 AC, 5000 milliamp, 2S Lipo. Let me show you, it's a hard case Lipo. First hard case Lipo I ever had, guys. So you can see 7.4 volts, 5000 milliamp. It's huge, big, huge servo, powerful servo for sure. Yeah. Look at these. Yeah, also the bumpers have some extra, I don't know how to call it, yeah, some extra parts to bump. Look at the top brace, also the metal, very thick metal. Yeah, it's huge, really cool. So these are the parts the WL is the new one should have from beginning, so it doesn't bend. Look at these shocks on the A arms and B arms. Super cool, really. Oh, I like it. Look at all the metals, all adjustable. Really nice, guys, really. Got a 3-wire servo, guys, so you can change it if you need to. And here are the gears underneath. And look at these, at this drive shaft. Yeah, all this metal, the diffs and everything is in metal. Really like it. XLF did a good job, guys, really. So a fan on the ESC for cooling. I think, you know, I will upgrade something, so I'll put a fan on the motor also, and yeah, everything rolls smooth, guys, really. Yeah, I need to adjust the widths a little bit. It's from factory. And here are my from Xinlong Q903 from the big XL version, the Wattos. So they're nearly the same tires. So they have red outer rim. It looks good. Maybe I'll upgrade with them or others. So we will see in the future. I'm doing some stuff. I think I'll put them on. So let's see underneath. Let's open one wheel and see at the hex and everything. Yes, guys. All looks so dope. Please look at this. All the blue metal parts, the shocks. Looks so dope. Really love it. So no need to upgrade. We have everything we wanted. So these are the parts you can do them in metal. No doubt about it. Looks good. And yeah, let me see. It's a little bit loose. Get off spring. Nah, looks like But yeah, I think I'm going to give it a service and look at this side. Yeah, that's how it should work. So it's a little bit hard, a little bit less of oil or too much. We will see. We'll give it a little service, a little adjustment, but otherwise out of the box it looks superb, guys. You can hear the fan, guys. It works. Yeah guys, enough for now, so let's bring this thing on the track again and do some speed test.
Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like what we do, please subscribe.
That's awesome, guys. 53 kilometers an hour. Wow, but it feels much faster, to be honest. Wow, 68 kilometers, guys. That's a number. Yes guys, and as always, other parts down below in the video description. If you like the video, it would be a pleasure for me and much appreciated, so please like, subscribe, leave a thumb up, and see you next week, guys.